hydraulic plate, don't have a mark or stick place on it. All original. Very, very nice. We'll have more pictures. This is on code. Day after Thanksgiving, nobody wants to work. How many hours on this one?
62.
Okay, let me take quick, if you don't mind. Very, very. Got an AM, FM, Bluetooth radio. 62.2 hours. It just came in, but it's got a lot of Kubota warranty on it.